So the general alarm has sounded. You're cadet number 6, and it happens to be the emergency squad that's been activated. Well, your job's electrical isolation. Now you might want to ask, what is electrical isolation? Well, you're the one that we're going to call on to remove the electrical power from various circuits throughout the ship. So how do you know where all this stuff is? Heck, I don't know where it all is, but I know where to find it. So you're going to go to the wardroom and stand by with these two binders, power distribution and electrical distribution. Two different binders. They're kind of organized a little different, but they have the same information in them. The electrical distribution binder has all the compartments on the ship, what's in there that you can isolate, what power panel and what breaker number that you need to open to isolate a piece of equipment. For example, maybe lighting, a supply fan, etc., etc. That's all listed in here in the electrical distribution binder. In the power distribution binder, it doesn't have all the different compartments. It is a list in numerical order, starting all the way forward, working your way all the way aft, of all the power panels on the ship, what the breaker numbers are, and what those breakers feed. And when I mean feed, it means supply power. So if I want to de-energize the air compressor circuit, I can open breaker number 2 on power panel 3, tack 30, tack 2, and the power to the air compressor has been isolated. So that's what you need to do. So you need to be familiar with what's in the binder. I don't expect you to memorize it, but at least know how to navigate that binder and how the ship is oriented. So if you need to go all the way forward, then you need to know the difference between forward and aft. Okay, so Cadet 6, electrical isolation. Grab these two binders, stand by in the wardroom because you may be called upon by the scene leader or the chief engineer to isolate a certain component or an area aboard this vessel. If it's a man overboard in your cadet number 6, then you muster fantail. If it's an abandoned ship in your cadet number 6, you're going to muster fantail and stand by life raft 3.